Tang odoi abantu abetsimbira omukaruru bagashitama bikiriza no kuba aronde akaruru konka abakatiko kwebyo kuronda ka NRM district barabatwarize ngoko baciremu
was to listen to the candidates without bias of age, without bias of height, without bias of who has more supporters, without bias of who has higher education. We have had a very fruitful meeting where everyone talked his mind. We have taken the main issues as the following: that the campaigns are running, but there is a bit of campaign management problem with regard to drunkards who shout in the rallies. Number two, there is a claim that one candidate receives a lot of money from sources to be investigated, and that candidate gives the money which is used to buy booze and which contaminates the electorate and makes them rowdy during campaigns against the others.
Dr. Tang odoi yashoborera kuba mu mbantu aba abetsimbira omukaruru bahanikire President Barha barukumugira ngo akaruru ko wabo karume imivuyo nyingi irimo kutamusente ko kugurira utere habasinzi kubaremesa kushaba abantu baba karuru amwe norwari kurwo mbantu abetsimbire nabo.
Enough. The campaign started very well in Buhanika sub-county. It went to Buraru, it went to Bulindi Town Council, and it went to Chabigambire yesterday. The candidates, who are 6 in number, raised a complaint to His Excellency the President. I'm not going to go to the details of that. They raised a complaint about the campaign to His Excellency and said His Excellency should intervene. Otherwise, there's a lot of bribery, there's a lot of drunkardness. People buy booze to shout at them. The registers are not yet ready, but I can say the registers are ready now. They were supposed to come to the field.
Izoberi abantu abetsimbira omukaruru ka district ya Hoima bashitama hamwe na chairperson wa electoral commission ya NRM Dr. Tang odoi okwikirizana ko baratwaze akaruru kabo atabeire mukuru mugwa mu rukungano ru. Dr. Tang odoi no yaemerezo kushaba akaruru okwa abantu abetsimbira ho bona barahamwe akagira ngo reka babanze batungyo kwikirizana babone garuka mu kuronda akaruru hamwe no kucamo ko aronde.
Elections and campaigns. The election remains. Campaigns have been suspended for 2 days, today and tomorrow. I've suspended campaigns today because I want time to meet opinion leaders. I want time to meet DEC of Hoima and later meet security.
Uthman Mubaraka Mujisa urumene kadiri kirungi waberetse abasun wa district ya Hoima nagira ngo neco busasi munonga kurebe kangu bagenzi babayitsimbire nabo bakorekera ko basikatona kurebe kangu baremesa ba member betibina okutora no mwebembezi wabo ubine mwamatsiko.
Has been made by the NRM Electoral Commission chairperson, whereby we have first suspended today's rallies due to the fact that a certain section of individuals who expressed interest or who are candidates in this matter connived together to see to it that we don't have primaries.
Bichiriaho Moses Aguta wa National Unity Platform ninga shinupu nagira ngo we nanda kurwanisa obushomangu zo buri umchange cha Hoima uteriho no kurindo bhangwa bwensi.
Here corruption actually is at its climax, because you find public officers, eating public funds openly without even fearing of being charged or cautioned. Because you find the whole system, from the council to the member of parliament, they are all occupied by one family. So even when one candidate one officer makes a mistake, he has nobody to challenge them. Our people here are not looking at the issue of promoting, like protecting our environment. You find natural forests are being cut, they're being destroyed, and yet public, office holders and people concerned are just watching on.
Manyagwacha person wentebe ya katano wa district ya Hoima gukazaho wanyuma yo waberetse person wa district ejo omugenzi kadiri kirungi okufera mu rubutandu muri kiboga ahangutse kurga Hoima neza Kampala mkwakashatu ko mwakogu makuraga gasha kwa gada saba aba Sky TV agenshonga.
omukaruru